taking a little video here.
Oh,
This is
okay.
Alastair, and he's making this boat. And how long did you say it's going to be?
25 feet.
And it's powered outboard?
It has a 40 horsepower outboard. It's very energy efficient, so it's fairly narrow for a 25-foot boat. It's only 7 feet wide, and it draws 1 foot depth, that's all.
And when is your estimated completion date?
I was hoping to have her in the water without the inside finished this summer, but in the last couple of weeks, reality has kind of
Reality set in?
set in, and I have this wonderful workspace,
Workshopping.
and
This
so I'm
is-
better off to stay in here, finish it completely, and then I'll launch it in the spring.
So we don't have to run out and get the bottle of champagne that we're
No,
going
not
to break
yet,
on it?
not yet. You can leave one on deposit if you want.
Oh, okay. That is beautiful.
So I practiced a bit.
It's